I have the Sony Pulse 3D headset, and I'll be showing you how to turn on this headset. So if you want to use them wirelessly, then they have to be turned on. And to do that, just look for the power button on the left ear cup. And if you look at the left ear cup, there are a couple of buttons there. And the one next or on the other side of the 3.5mm headphone jack is the power switch. Now, it's not really a button, it's a switch because you have to flick it. Instead of pressing it, it's actually a flick. So, for instance, to turn on the headset, just flick this like that. Just push it that direction and it's going to turn on, and you can see it's now connected and paired. You can see that on the screen right there. Okay, then that's basically how to turn on the headset. Now, if you do this and the headset doesn't turn on, then they've probably run out of charge. So you might want to connect a USB-C cable right here, and then the other end to a power source, either into the PS5 or another power source, and allow the headset to charge for a couple of minutes, and then you can try and turn them on again. Okay, so that's basically how to turn them on. And you can know the headset is on because there's always going to be a light right here as long as the headset is on. You can see that white light basically means it's connected. So it's either that or it's blinking blue. That's how you know the headset is on. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck.